The G chord is made by placing the first finger on the second fret of the C string, the second finger on the second fret of the A string, and the third finger on the third fret of the E string. Let's play a G chord. Good. Let's review the C chord. We use the second finger on the third fret of the A string. Excellent. Now the D7th chord is quite easy. It's made by barring your first finger all the way across the second fret and by placing your second finger down on the third fret of the A string. It looks like this. Let's play it. Good. This brings us to a very important concept called bar chords. Most chords you have been learning are called open chords, like the C, because you can't move them up and down the fretboard or get a different chord when you do so. However, with bar chords, like the D7th, you can move them up or down the fretboard and get other chords. Amazing, you say? Economical, I say. You learn one chord shape and move it anywhere on the fretboard, and suddenly you know at least a half a dozen new chords. Allow me to demonstrate some different bar chord shapes for you. Let's start with the D7th. Now we got E flat 7th. One more and we got E 7th. One more and we got F 7th. F sharp 7th and G 7th. Look at that. Now if we take the D bar shape, which is a lot like the D7th, we simply drop down our pinky on the 5th fret of the A string and we have the same thing. Moving it down, we have the D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and look at that, way up there, A. How's that for economical? Last is the C-shaped chord. To make this shape, we bar across the 3rd fret on the A and E strings, placing our second finger on the 4th fret of the C string and the 5th fret of the G string. This is called the C bar chord. If we back it up, we have the classic B flat shape. Move it up and we're right back up to the C. Let's move it up higher. C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F. I think you get the idea. Bar chords are a real economical way to improve your chord knowledge and increase your chord vocabulary. With a thorough understanding of chords, you're now ready to try and play a bluegrass standard called Boil 'em Cabbage Down. But first, we'll start with the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's play it with the chords we've learned. 1, 2, 3, 4.